In honor of the 20th anniversary celebration re-release of Star Wars Revenge of the Sith, AMC has released this Darth Vader helmet popcorn bucket. And as a major Star Wars fan, and somebody who just loves Vader, because don't we all, I had to get it. So the helmet obviously is very shiny as you see this reflection. Hi, there I am. But it looks great. Particularly all of the details in the front of the helmet I think are pretty fantastic when you look at it. And then of course if you want to actually use it for popcorn, you just open up Vader's head here and put it in. But possibly the funnest part for this Vader popcorn bucket, when you flip it up, you see this little tab here, and it's actually not for a light like usual. It's his breathing, which is so sick. Then we get a slower breathing pattern. So I would say this Vader popcorn helmet is pretty much a must-have for any Star Wars fan out there.